Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Buy Madden 21 on PS4. The price of the standard edition of Madden 21 is $59.99, and the price of the MVP edition is $79.99. Each edition of the game offers different rewards, so pick wisely based on how you want to play the game.
Take our lead.
If you buy a digital copy of Madden NFL 21 on PlayStation 4 or Xbox One, your digital copy of Madden NFL 21 on PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X will be bundled with the PlayStation 4 Xbox One copy, and you'll be able to download and play Madden NFL 21 from the PlayStation Store or Microsoft Store at no extra cost once.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Madden 21 is the latest football simulation game. PC, Xbox, and PlayStation players have all run into crashing issues with the newest Madden title. It could be anything from needing an update, having damaged software, or just simply a random game bug.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Madden 21 download is taking up most of the 10 hours to download. Hi there, at BenBoom322. You shouldn't be using up the timer unless you've partially downloaded the game and are in the menus. If that's the case, make sure you completely exit out of Madden 21 and wait for the download to complete.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.